Hi, today we are going to read Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is about the government. So far, we have learned about class rules and how they keep students safe, help students learn, and keep things fair. We have also learned about rules and consequences in Chapter 4. We know if we don't follow the rules, we will have a consequence or punishment. That same chapter, we talked about how voting means everyone's opinions are being heard. The last chapter was Chapter 5. This is when we talked about laws and rules. We learned that teachers make rules and that the government makes laws. The government is a group of people we choose to make laws for us. Everyone in the country has to follow laws. At the end of Chapter 5, there was a question that asked, does the government do more than make laws? That is what we're going to learn about today. Follow along as Mrs. Coyle explains to her class what else the government does. Miss Coyle explains that the government does more for people. The government uses tax money to pay for public services. A tax is money people pay to the government. The government uses tax money to keep us safe. What is a tax? If we look back into the reading, we can see that a tax is money people pay to the government. Schools, firefighters, and roads are public services. They are paid for with taxes. Schools help us learn things. Firefighters put out fires and save people. Roads help people go from one place to another. In the picture, we can see the White House, which symbolizes the government, giving money to the school, a firefighter, and roads. What are some other public services that the government provides? Another one would be a park or a playground. Other things in the community that would help us, like police officers. The government uses taxes to pay for the police. The police make sure people follow the laws. The police can arrest people if they don't follow the law. They can take people to jail. What do police do? The police can arrest people if they don't follow the laws, and they protect our communities. The government uses taxes to pay for the military. The military makes sure that the people in our country are safe. What else is the government in charge of? The government is in charge of keeping communities and the people safe. They are in charge of parks and schools, like we talked about before. The students worked hard. They learned about school rules. They worked together to make class rules. They learned about laws and taxes. They learned how the government uses tax money. What is something that the students have learned about? The students have learned about the same things that you have been. They learned about class rules, laws, taxes, the government, and consequences. That afternoon, Paige and Tiffany ride the bus home together. They are happy. They have learned a lot. They feel better about school. They know this will be a good year. How do Paige and Tiffany feel about school now? If we look back into the reading, it says that Paige and Tiffany are happy and that they feel better about school and they know it's going to be a good year.